Insight is Europe's leading communications agency specializing in research dissemination, and we are now ready to unveil our latest innovation, SEED and the SEED Research Library, interactive multimedia digital resources designed specifically for communicating research results in context and stimulating widespread user engagement. In short, SEED has been designed to maximize the impact projects make with their research results. So why did we do this? Well, the simple rationale behind its development is that in order to generate more innovation from research results, people need to know about those results. But as we all know, finding out the right information at the right time, in the right format, can be a challenge. There is just so much around. We all spend far too much time looking for it. There is a real need, particularly in the research arena, for much smarter media that will encourage more effective knowledge transfer, something we know fosters innovation. So we thought about being smarter and how that could help us with harvesting relevant information, having that information delivered in context, the wider appeal of multimedia content, and the integration of social media channels. We then thought about the other end of the dissemination chain, the project problem. Talking with hundreds of coordinators and partners, we found that dissemination is often not seen as a priority, just something that has to be done. Meanwhile, it is clear that partners are simply not experts in communications processes and strategy, and why should they be? Build the project website, produce a few brochures, leaflets and posters, attend a few events. That's enough, isn't it? No, of course it's not. Good dissemination is a complex process and needs clear strategy to create real impact. And so we developed SEED and the SEED Research Library, dissemination tools that are both smart for the user and create real impact for the project. A SEED is an interactive digital brochure that combines the very best of traditional publishing with the most useful functionality of digital publishing. SEED is a novel, attractive, engaging, and useful way to communicate often complex information with maximum appeal. But while the SEED brochure delivers so much so well, the real genius of this innovation is the SEED Research Library. The SEED Research Library will become the cornerstone of Europe's knowledge exchange, the essential resource for active and interactive dissemination. By featuring in the SEED Research Library, projects benefit from being placed in context next to others exploring similar or complementary areas of research and innovation. By following SEEDs, audiences are kept abreast of the latest updates and developments. As a result, they are constantly building and interacting with a valuable list of other users, collaborators, partners, and funders. All SEED content is delivered to a targeted audience. Projects know that followers find that content useful and interesting, and SEED allows you to manage that growing user group. SEEDs produce analytics of all activity with every aspect of dissemination content, meaning you can measure ROI. The SEED library is actively marketed by Insight to ensure an ever-growing membership base to benefit each research project it features. We believe SEED to be an essential development in research dissemination and the transfer of knowledge. It offers an active experience, not passive dissemination, allowing projects to engage and interact with their audience. And it does all this in one place, making dissemination smart.